Hello and welcome to the Sewing Studio. Today I'm going to talk to you about what you can do with a charm pack. Now, what is a charm pack? Well, a charm pack is a pack of 42 5-inch squares. And I'm going to open this one and I'm just going to show you what's inside. So you've got a variety of colours here. So we've got lots of different blues. We've also got some greens. We've got some greys, we've got some turquoise. So basically what it is a pack of 5-inch squares and all the colours blend together. And they come in a variety of designs. We've got a William Morris one, we've got a Christmas one, and in our shop we've got hundreds of different charm packs. They also make a great gift because they're only £10.95. So for those of you that are thinking about Christmas coming up, it's the perfect Secret Santa. What can you do with a charm pack? Okay, so I'm going to give you a couple of ideas. The first one, we'll just pop this away, and the first one is a really simple idea. So it is just leave the squares as they are. So you've got 6 going across and you've got 7 rows down, and you just join all of those up using a 1/4 inch seam. Now, if you want to make it bigger, you can add more borders. So mine has got a little fillet, as you can see here. It's got a border fabric and the binding is done in the same fabric as the fillet. We use this for our beginners class. And this is something that we will possibly be doing online in the future, so watch this space. This one I have quilted using a feather stitch in red to make a feature of my quilting. And it makes a really great first quilt. If anybody is having a grandchild, you can use the pastel shades. We've got Halloween fabric, we've got all sorts of fabric. So it's great, it's very versatile, and as I say, a pack is £10.95. So I'm just going to show you something else you can do, and this is done again with a charm pack. I haven't used a complete charm pack here, and what I've done is I've used strips of white on white in between. So I cut my charm pack in half. So I took all my squares and I just cut them in half. So I had lots of squares that looked like that. And then I joined each one to a white square, to a white rectangle. So that's 5 inches by 2.5, as is that 5 inches by 2.5. And then I joined them across alternately. Now I can add more to this because I haven't used all of it, or I can just put a dark blue fillet and maybe a yellow floral border, and then a dark blue binding. Or if you wanted to make a table runner, instead of joining it into a square, you could just have 2 long pieces. Imagine that if you did a Christmas one, and it could be your Christmas table runner. So just a couple of really simple ideas, and they're really quick and easy to do. So as always, have fun, enjoy your sewing, and I look forward to seeing you next time here at the Sewing Studio. Thank you.